Hey there, and welcome to Motion. Whoa, what do we have here? It's a package from my good friend Dollightful, all the way from South Korea. Maybe you've already watched our unboxing video. If not, I will put the link in the description box. Catherine really didn't need to do this, because I was more than happy Sparkle Mouse had a new loving home. But she really insists in sending me a package back. So here we are. Well, I don't know about you, but I really want to know what's in the box. So let's open it. First we have socks. Oh, it's Squirtle. I don't think I ever mentioned this to Catherine, but Squirtle was my starter Pokémon back in the 90s when I was playing Pokémon Blue. And I really have a soft spot for the Squirtle line. Next up we have star stickers. These can come in handy for doll projects. Ooh, nice! Snacks. These will be great when I work on a new Remake Divas episode, which I'm working on at this moment. And oh, it's a package in a package. I like this ribbon. I'm going to save it for a doll project. Bunny doll. Oh, really? I think I know what it is. Oh, look at that! Isn't that the cutest? For those who may have missed it, Dollightful sculpted and printed her own ball-jointed bunny dolls. I think you can download the print file for free. But seeing I don't own a 3D printer, this is just the best thing ever. Well, you know me, I really love animal dolls. And hey, this is actually my first ever ball-jointed doll. So thank you so much, Catherine. Now, I really need to come up with an idea how to customize her. What do you think? Do you have an idea? Or should I just leave her as is? Let me know in the comments. I can't thank you, Dollightful, for this little critter. And thank you for watching. Like always, like if you liked it and sub if you loved it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!